Hi, to change ringtone on your POCO X7 Pro, all we have to do is open settings on the phone and then scroll down and find sound and vibration tab. After that, tap ringtone, and now we got many options for the ringtone. So we can see such categories as hot right now, hot hits, and so on. Let's select something from hot hits first, for example. To actually listen the sound, we just need to tap it. And this is how it will sound. If you want to set it as your ringtone, just tap this bell icon and tap OK to select this ringtone. And now it is applied successfully. Or let's go in this love theme and choose something from here. For that, I'm going to tap bell icon and tap OK. And now this one is applied successfully. And of course, we can go in pre-installed ringtones. Here, choose ringtone tab. Now we can see many default options. From here, just scroll down or up. And if you tap any option, it would be applied immediately. And also you can see those tab My Ringtones. So this is ringtones we just added from this themes app. And of course, you can tap on this folder, choose local, and here just set your custom song. So you can choose it from your recorder app, audio files, or music. Just select something, then tap on song you want to add, and then tap OK. And now let's go back, and in settings we can actually adjust ringtone's volume by dragging the slider right to increase or left to decrease. And if you swipe it left till the end, you will actually enable silent mode. And by the way, if you got two SIM cards inserted, you can actually choose for which SIM card you want to set ringtone. So when you select in ringtone, here you would see tab SIM card 1, SIM card 2. You can choose first SIM card, for example, and customize it first, and then choose second and customize it as well. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.